You made a point to me that really stuck with me that I think I want to share with the group about who should be on the film. Because you talked about consistency in terms of like posting a lot, but you made the comment about if you're the owner, be the face of the business. And that really stuck with me. I mean, and maybe it doesn't have to be the owner. I'm not the owner of Atlas, but I want to be the face of our marketing efforts. So somebody should be your spokesperson, right? And ideally, it's the owner, right? Because that's the face of the business. I played the audio clip for you guys at the beginning of the show today of Dan Worstel of Pyramid Roofing calling every customer, right? To me, that is like, it gives me goosebumps to know that he is at the center of it. So I would highly recommend that you figure that part out, because that really stuck with me when you said that.
Yeah, and well, the thing about growing the brand, like this, how people don't make decisions to buy from the brand. It's always the person. Like Steve Jobs, as big as Apple. You know, Elon Musk, as big as Tesla. Nobody knows my business like I do. Am I perfect spokesperson? No.